Hello students, today I am going to discuss part 5th of biomolecules. In this part we will discuss about the nucleotides. Nucleotides are the building blocks of nucleic acid. The nucleotide forms about 2% of the total cell content. Actually, nucleotides are the monomers. These are the monomers, and they join together to form the nucleic acid or polymers. For example, DNA and RNA. So all these nucleotides, they are the monomers. They combine together, join together to form polymers, which are either DNA or RNA. Composition: nucleotides are compound of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus. Phosphorus is present in the form of PO4 minus 3 in the form of phosphate group. A nucleotide consists of 3 smaller molecules of different types. These are phosphate groups, pentose sugar, and nitrogenous bases. Here you can see that it's a phosphate group present here. It's a pentose sugar or ribose sugar is this one is a ribose sugar, and nitrogenous bases. All these 3 molecules, when they combine together, a nucleotide is formed. This is the RNA nucleotide, and this one is the DNA nucleotide. DNA nucleotides are present in the DNA, and it is also known as deoxyribose nucleotides, and this one is the ribose nucleotides. The difference between these two, there are 2 differences. First difference is that at carbon second of the ribose sugar, OH is present, and in deoxyribose sugar only hydrogen is present. 1 oxygen is less in deoxyribose sugar. यहाँ पर एक ऑक्सीजन कम है, इसलिए इसको deoxyribose sugar कहते हैं. Deoxy means there is 1 less oxygen is present in the sugar, ribose sugar of the DNA, and there is 1 more oxygen is present in the ribose sugar of RNA. Second difference is that here thymine is present in the DNA nucleotide, and here uracil is present in the RNA nucleotide. So uracil replaces thymine in RNA nucleotide. So there are 3 molecules are present in a nucleotide. First one is the phosphoric acid or the phosphate group. Phosphate group is derived from this phosphoric acid, and a nucleotide may have 1, 2 or 3 phosphate group. This phosphate group provides acidic nature to the nucleotide. Actually, phosphate group is derived from the phosphoric acid. This phosphoric acid is ionized to form phosphate group. It ionizes to form the 3H plus and PO4 minus 3. So this phosphate group is negatively charged, and it releases hydrogen at the time of addition to the nucleotide. So it provides acidic nature to the nucleotide, and also it provides a negative charge to the nucleotide. DNA is negatively charged and acidic in nature because of the presence of this phosphate group. Sugar molecule in a nucleotide may be either ribose or deoxyribose. Both sugars are in furanose state with 4 carbon and 1 oxygen in the ring. The 5th carbon along with H2OH occurs outside the ring. Ribose molecule differs from deoxyribose molecule in having a hydroxyl group instead of hydrogen at carbon 2. There are some differences between the ribose and deoxyribose. This ribose sugar is present in RNA and deoxyribose sugar is present in DNA. The difference between the two is that there is one oxygen less in deoxyribose sugar. Here you can see at carbon second there is one less oxygen is present in deoxyribose sugar and there is one more oxygen is present in ribose sugar at carbon second of the ring. It is also known as furanose because there are 4 carbon and 1 oxygen is present in the ring. Here you can see that this one is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon and fourth carbon and 1 oxygen. So 4 carbon and 1 oxygen is present in the ring. That's why these two sugars are known as furanose sugar. And the difference, as we have discussed, that the difference between ribose and deoxyribose sugar वो ये है कि डीऑक्सीराइबोज शुगर में एक ऑक्सीजन कम होता है कार्बन सेकंड पर. Third molecule present in the nucleotide is the nitrogenous bases. They are of two types, pyrimidine or purine. A pyrimidine molecule is smaller. It is single ring and has one 6-member ring with nitrogen at first and third carbon. The 3 important pyrimidine are thymine, cytosine and uracil. Here you can see that these are the pyrimidines and the nitrogen is present at first place and third place. Here you can see that this is 1 and this one is the 3. So 1 nitrogen is present here and other is here. The nitrogen present at the number 1 is attached to the carbon 1 of the deoxyribose sugar at the time of formation of nucleotide. जब न्यूक्लियोटाइड बनता है तो इस पायरिमिडीन के नंबर 1 पे जो नाइट्रोजन प्रेजेंट है, ये नाइट्रोजन डीऑक्सीराइबोस शुगर के कार्बन नंबर 1 से ग्लाइकोसाइडिक बॉन्ड के जरिए अटैच होता है और एक न्यूक्लियोसाइड बनाता है. प्यूरीन molecule is larger because it has 2 rings with nitrogen at position 1st, 3rd, 7th and 9th. The 2 important purines are adenine and guanine. तो जो purines हैं ये 2 तरह के होते हैं, adenine and guanine, and there are 4 nitrogen are present at position 1, 3rd, 7th and 9th. Purine is attached to the deoxyribose sugar in a nucleotide with the help of nitrogen present at 1. So this nitrogen is attached to the deoxyribose sugar at the time of nucleotide formation. So there are 3 types of pyrimidine and 2 types of purine. Pyrimidine are single ring and purines are double ring. The uracil is present in RNA and these 2 are present in DNA. This thymine is replaced by uracil in RNA. RNA के अंदर uracil प्रेजेंट होता है और साइटोसिन प्रेजेंट होता है, जबकि डीएनए के अंदर थायमीन और साइटोसिन, पायरिमिडीन डीएनए के अंदर पाए जाते हैं. Next is formation of nucleotides. The nitrogenous base is joined to the sugar molecule by a glycosidic bond. This bond is formed between first carbon of the sugar and nitrogen at position 1 in case of pyrimidine and nitrogen at position 9 in case of purine. So a nucleotide is formed when all these three molecules, phosphate, deoxyribose sugar and nitrogenous bases, they are bonded together and a nucleotide is produced. Here you can see when a deoxyribose sugar is attached to the nitrogenous base, a nucleoside is formed. A nucleoside is formed, but when phosphate is also attached to the nucleoside, a nucleotide is produced. तो जो न्यूक्लियोटाइड है ये डीऑक्सीराइबोज शुगर नाइट्रोजिनस बेस और फॉस्फेट ग्रुप के ऐड होने से न्यूक्लियोटाइड फॉर्मेशन होता है। और अगर सिर्फ डीऑक्सीराइबोज शुगर और नाइट्रोजिनस बेस ऐड है तो उसको न्यूक्लियोसाइड कहेंगे। यानी न्यूक्लियोसाइड के अंदर सिर्फ दो मॉलिक्यूल होंगे, डीऑक्सीराइबोज या राइबोज शुगर प्लस नाइट्रोजिनस बेस, और न्यूक्लियोटाइड के अंदर तीन मॉलिक्यूल होंगे, deoxyribose sugar, nitrogenous base, and third one is the phosphate group. Here you can see that it's a nucleotide and this bond is formed. This is carbon number 1, nitrogen present at first position, second position, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8 and 9. So this purine, this is the purine. This purine is attached to the carbon number 1. This is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon and fourth carbon. So in this nucleotide, nitrogen present at 9th position of the purine is attached to the carbon present at first position of the ribose sugar is attached with the help of glycosidic bond. This bond is the glycosidic bond, and this is the phosphate group. This phosphate group is attached to the fifth carbon or OH group present at the fifth carbon, and this bond is called phosphodiester bond. This bond is the phosphodiester bond. तो एक बेस जो है वो डीऑक्सीराइबोज या राइबोज शुगर से ग्लाइकोसाइडिक बॉन्ड के जरिए जुड़ा होता है, और फॉस्फेट राइबोज या डीऑक्सीराइबोज के फिफ्थ कार्बन से फॉस्फोडाइस्टर बॉन्ड के जरिए अटैच होता है। यहाँ पर पायरिमिडीन अटैच है। पायरिमिडीन के नाइट्रोजन जो फर्स्ट पोजीशन पर प्रेजेंट है, ये नाइट्रोजन शुगर के फर्स्ट कार्बन से ग्लाइकोसाइडिक बॉन्ड के जरिए अटैच होता है, और फॉस्फेट फिफ्थ कार्बन से फॉस्फोडाइस्टर बॉन्ड के जरिए अटैच होता है। The nucleoside combines with phosphate group at 5' position by an phosphodiester bond to form the nucleotide. A nucleotide having a ribose sugar is known as ribonucleotides, and a nucleotide having a deoxyribose sugar is called deoxyribonucleotide. Both glycosidic and phosphodiester bonds are formed by the condensation reaction involving elimination of water. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि अगर कोई बेस कोई बेस अगर राइबोज या डीऑक्सीराइबोज शुगर के साथ ऐड हो रहा है तो एक न्यूक्लियोसाइड बनेगा। तो न्यूक्लियोसाइड में सिर्फ दो ही चीज़ें होती हैं, एक नाइट्रोजनस बेस होता है, दूसरा राइबोज या डीऑक्सीराइबोज शुगर होता है। अगर इस न्यूक्लियोसाइड में फॉस्फेट भी अटैच हो जाए, यानी न्यूक्लियोसाइड प्लस फॉस्फेट इक्वल टू न्यूक्लियोटाइड। यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि अगर बेस और शुगर ऐड हैं एक दूसरे से तो इसको हम न्यूक्लियोसाइड कहेंगे। और अगर नाइट्रोजनस बेस, शुगर और फॉस्फेट, ये फॉस्फेट है, ये शुगर है और ये बेस, तीनों चीज़ें अगर ऐड हैं तो इसको हम न्यूक्लियोटाइड कहेंगे। Next is the function. First is the formation of nucleic acid. So these nucleotides are used to form RNA and DNA because RNA and DNA are the polymer of nucleotides. Formation of energy carriers ADP and ATP. Formation of coenzyme like NAD, NADP, FMN, FAD, coenzyme A. Regulatory chemicals like cyclic AMP. So these are the functions of nucleotides.